Hello.
We are dudes.
Uh-huh.
We are the dudes. Sherman, get down.
It's like
This is going to be called the life of Bird. He has a pocket watch.
Is my watch seriously? Okay,
I think he's a little bit older for his time.
I think it's 9:30-ish. I don't know.
How can you think?
I just like checking that thing because, yep, it's 9:30.
And then Sherman's over there like a wolf. Wait, how is Sherman over there? He's not allowed to be over there. Sherman! You have to move. Sherman! Go back to your home. Sherman!
I think his shot collar is broken.
No.
It's like he's just taking a deuce at me.
So the life of Bird is him not being able to stay in one place.
Uh-huh.
He lived here in Montana, but now he doesn't. And he sucks at soccer. Yep. All Utah should know this. That you have to be good at soccer. Because they have a real Salt Lake team, and they're good.
I went to one of their games.
I wonder why they call themselves Real Salt Lake.
Real.
Either way, why do they call themselves Real Salt Lake?
No idea.
When there's no other Salt Lake. Utah-ish people. Utahns. Utahndans. Answer this down below.
Like, I lived there for like almost 2 years.
Okay. Bird, take this. Video me.
Okay. So wait. So I'm getting hit now? Oh. Oh. Okay. So. Yeah. So we're about to make a video about. Well, no, but we're about to make like an actual entertainment video other than this stupid vlog. You know, it was his idea. That guy. I'm not even sure if it got him, but who cares? It's not my problem that I'm a terrible cameraman. So it's pretty much who can take the most ball shots with a soccer ball in front of that goal.
I want to watch out, okay?
It's like that Scott Sterling video about the guy who gets hit in the face a bunch by a soccer ball, only in the balls. Fun. Yeah. No.
Hey. Stay back. Hey. Stay back. Mom, stay back.
He pushed me away from my camera.
Yeah, that's because it's mine now. Oh, it's mine now. Yes.
No, you're taller than me, though.
Exactly. Yeah, just
Hey,
kinda
your
like...
hand's blocking the
And now I'm covering the... Oh, never mind. Yeah.
So, this is
just
the dumb
woke up.
dudes out.
Yeah. See ya.
I'm
Subscribe
Bert.
and become a dumb dude.
He's
Even if you're a
Bert.
girl, you're
I'm
a
Yakko.
dumb dude up.